Rosa Moceniga is a beautiful project that takes inspiration from a fascinating and original Venetian rose, a book that narrates its history and origins, and a botanical project with the creation of a rose garden in Villa Brandolini di Vistorta, in the countryside of Venice. But overall, the Merchant of Venice carried out this olfactive project with an enormous historical heritage and added an outstanding new fragrance to the emblematic Murano collection. Rosa Moceniga aims to enclose the unique scent of this particular flower in a precious flacon.
Several years ago, we discovered this old and mysterious rose here in this wild wood behind the old villa of my ancestors Mocenigo. It has a lovely color. It's sort of a silvery pink. It's a very sturdy rose, but at the same time very delicate. It has a wonderful fruity scent. And it came to Europe in the time of Napoleon aboard merchant ships, British merchant ships from India and China. It was brought here in the Veneto. She had found it in the gardens of Empress Joséphine. And it still grows here in these woods, rather wildly, and it has been a witness to 200 years of history. With our friends at Merchant of Venice, we have decided to create a new fragrance to celebrate this wonderful flower, in the hope that its history and its mystery will be carried around the world.